Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. Today we are going to learn how to change spark, the plug and the coil in car. First you have to remove the negative terminal of the battery, that is the negative terminal of the battery. After removing the negative terminal of the battery, unscrew the bolt holding the coil with the help of T-rod, that is 8 mm T-rod. You can use the spanner or the T-rod, whichever is available. Now you can see the coil is removed quite comfortably. Just pull it up and it will be removed. That is a long socket, 16 mm. We are using to remove the plug. We have also used a small extension 6 inch and also an L rod behind that. You can use L rod, T rods, ratchet, anything you have. Insert the socket inside the head where the plug is located. Unscrew the plug, and when you feel that plug is moving freely, just make sure that it's moving free and unscrewed with the help of T-rod. Now remove the grip of the coil, insert the coil in the head, cylinder head, engine head, and take out the spark plug. To install the plug, insert it back inside the cylinder head. And tight the plug in the cylinder head. Insert the coil back. Listen to the clicking sound of the grip when the coil is installed, and then tight the screw holding the coil, and then you have to start the engine and check for the smooth start. Now we have started the engine and it's running smoothly. That is how you can change your plug and the coil quite comfortably.